In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image choice question in SurveyMonkey. If you want respondents to choose between visual options like product mockups, ad concepts, or icon sets, SurveyMonkey's image choice question type makes that fast and user-friendly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can add it to any existing survey with confidence. Start by heading to the SurveyMonkey website in your browser. Once you're on the home page and in your account dashboard, open the survey where you want to add the question. You'll see several tabs across the top of the survey workspace. Click the Design Survey tab to enter the area where you build and organize your questions. On the left side, look for the toolbar. Select Build to reveal the full list of question types you can add. This is where SurveyMonkey groups everything from multiple choice to open-ended formats. If image choice isn't immediately visible in the first set of options, click View More to expand the complete catalog. In that expanded list, locate and click Image Choice. The moment you click Image Choice, SurveyMonkey inserts a new image choice question into your survey canvas. You'll see the placeholder question and fields where images and labels will go. This is the right place to plan how you want respondents to evaluate the visuals, whether it's selecting a single favorite option or comparing a few alternatives. The interface keeps everything consistent, so your choices appear neatly aligned and easy to scan. A couple of quick tips as you work in this view. Use clear, high-contrast images so respondents can distinguish details at a glance. Keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly, especially on mobile. Short, descriptive labels help people understand exactly what each image represents. And consider accessibility. Pairing images with concise text descriptions helps all respondents engage with your question. Back in the Design Survey tab, you can drag the new image choice question to the right position in your flow, just like any other question. That way, the visuals appear where they make the most sense, after context-setting questions or right before a follow-up. If you ever don't see the Build panel, toggle it from the left toolbar and then expand View More again. That's all there is to it. You go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, enter Design Survey, choose Build, expand View More, and select Image Choice. With those clicks, you've added a polished visual decision point to your survey. Save your work when you're satisfied, preview the survey to check the layout, and you're done.